Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Adidas. So let me take you to the website, which is adidas.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Adidas is one of the world's largest sportswear and athletic apparel brands, offering footwear, clothing, accessories, and sports equipment. Known for its iconic three-stripe branding, Adidas serves elites, fitness enthusiasts, and fashion-conscious consumers worldwide through its performance and lifestyle product lines, of course. So what are you waiting for? Come to the website and explore all about them. Check it out if you want to buy any of the products. That's up to you. But as usual, we are here to earn money. And from whom? This time Adidas. How do you do that? You simply join the affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you get commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? Well, regardless of your location as an affiliate, you can try to be part of the affiliate program. And about the consumers, there's a list of countries you will only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to Adidas from the traffic of those countries. And we shall talk about it shortly. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website So Commerce. Now, what is So or rather, what is So Commerce, and what do they have to do with the affiliate program of Adidas? So So Commerce is one of the good affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Adidas, you must join So Commerce as an affiliate. Now, So Commerce calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. How do you create or sign up with someone, or rather someone commerce as an affiliate or publisher? For that, you can come to the website. I'm going to mention the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, and once here, you can hover over publisher. You can click on commerce. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on sign up. It will take you to the sign up page. Enter your email address and password combination, finish, and proceed further with it. Now, I understand that many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate account, including the affiliate account of Someone Commerce. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Someone Commerce affiliate account. You'll find that as well in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Someone Commerce affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, simply come to the website once again. This time, click on, or rather, hover over sign in, click on commerce, and enter your credential. Then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. This is a place and this is a platform where you would be able to find affiliate program of not just Adidas but other brands as well. But we're going to keep the focus of our video on the affiliate program of Adidas only. To find the affiliate program, click on commerce from the left hand side menu bar. It will take you to the commerce section, and you will be able to see all these subsections. From here you can click on merchant, and then you click on merchants on the main screen, and over here you will be able to see the list of all the brands available in German commerce platform. And within the search bar, start typing Adidas and just click on enter from your keyboard, and you would be able to see the affiliate program detail popping up here shortly. As you can see, Adidas, commission rate, and other details. Simply click on the hyperlink name of theirs. It will open up the overlay window for the Adidas affiliate program, and over here you can see the commission rate. So you would get between 2% to 8% of the sale amount. Now that's good coming from Adidas. Between 2 to 8% is definitely good. And if you click on countries, this is a list of the country that I was referring to. So you will only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from this list of countries traffic. Now, let's say you want to learn about Australia. Let's say if you're bringing traffic from Australia, then you will receive between 3 to 8%, and you'll be able to see the description of all the things in here. Similar to that, you can change different countries from here, and you can see how much commission you will receive based on the respective traffic. And if you scroll down, you can see domains. So basically, you're allowed to create tracking link from these domains of Adidas. And then here you got description, and here you got terms and conditions, and sure you read it and you're bad by it. Now let's say you read it all and you wanna apply to them. Well, that's the beauty of Solvent Commerce. As long as you got the approval from Solvent Commerce team, you don't have to individually apply to the affiliate program of different brands. So by default, you're already approved to promote Adidas here. Assuming you have been approved, for Adidas affiliate program, how do you start promoting them? You can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So to create your tracking link, you want to click on create a link from the affiliate program page or overlay window. And over here, you can choose your site and you have to give the product URL. Let's say I want to create a tracking link for the homepage, but rather I'm going to do it for .com. I'm going to copy this homepage and I'm going to come here. I'm going to mention the link in here and then it's going to quickly check whether it's eligible or not. As you can see, it's eligible. And then I'm going to give the name here, Adidas homepage. So you can also enter the URL, any URL from the website that you want to convert your tracking link. And then if you want to explore these options, do that as well. But only entering the URL and the link name should be suffice. And then you click on create. What it will do, it will create a tracking link for you and it will automatically copy it for you. So I'm going to paste in here. As you can see, this is a tracking link it created. So if I share this link with anyone, of course, to my traffic, if they click on it, they will be redirected to Adidas website. Of course, depending on the region, since I'm from India, so that's why I kind of redirected to .co.in. Otherwise, it should redirect them to the respective region website, of course, the homepage. So like this, you can create tracking link. All the links you create, of course, your tracking link, you'll be able to find them if you go to create and if you go to links. So all your created tracking links will be located in this section. All right, so you learn how to create your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote Adidas? There are ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One of the ways is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you can promote them anywhere in your website. And you have an option to promote them on homepage, category page, whatever suits best for your audience. In case if you have blog and if you intend to promote them on blog, you might want to create blog posts about different products available on Adidas and put your tracking link accordingly. This way people like, if they love it, they click on it, they buy it, you get commission. Apart from it, you might want to create content surrounding running shoes review or maybe sportswear comparison, sneaker guides, and these kind of content also attract the traffic. Then you got social media. Now, social media could be great here. Let's say on Instagram, you might want to create fitness related content. On TikTok, sneaker reviews, or probably on Facebook, you might want to target fitness communities. And of course, whenever you create this content or whenever you're targeting the market or social media accordingly, don't forget to share your tracking link. That's extremely important. Then you got sports and fitness website. Now, assuming as an affiliate you have such a website available, you are at the win because people who are interested in products like Adidas usually explore websites category as sports and fitness. So you might want to have Adidas products available on such website of yours. You also might want to focus on having a blog, let's say running blog or maybe a sneaker review blog. So these kind of niche specific blog could be good here as well. So we learn how to promote Adidas, but there's always a challenge of traffic. Having the great online presence but not enough traffic is always a challenge that affiliate face. So that's why I'm gonna cover top 3 traffic sources for Adidas, how exactly you can get good traffic. First, you got YouTube. So you might want to create YouTube content surrounding sneaker reviews, fitness gear reviews, or sports related content. You might want to create short form videos or long form videos, or maybe just short. Just ensure you are putting your website URL or online presence URL, all your tracking links. So this way you are sending traffic directly to the destination page. Then you got Google SEO. That's also another traffic source that you might want to focus on. What I mean by that is, let's say whatever content you are creating, you are keeping it as Google SEO friendly. You might want to focus or target the keywords like running shoes, sportswear, or sneaker related keywords. This could be great because it could lead you to get more organic traffic, and organic traffic are inclined towards buying products as well. Then you got Instagram and TikTok. So you might want to create fitness or sneaker related content on Instagram and TikTok and maybe share your online presence URL there or directly your tracking link. So this way you're going to attract a very good amount of traffic from these kind of platforms as well. So these are some of the ways you can get better traffic for Adidas or their product. Now, let's say you start bringing sales to them and you've started generating your performance. Where would you see that? For that, you can come to the Servant Commerce dashboard once again, affiliate dashboard, I mean. This time, click on Analytics, click on Overview, and over here, you would be able to see the overview. You might want to click on Start Date and End Date, apply the dates accordingly, and then you'll be able to see your revenue, sales, clicks, and earning per clicks. And you'll also be able to see your top merchants and, of course, your top content too. And then if you click on revenue, you would be able to see even more details. So you might want to check this out too. As you can see, that it's a beautiful looking trend. And of course, you can apply different filters and dates, and the report will be generated accordingly. Now, to get all your accumulated commission, ensure you have given your payment method details. And to give or update your payment method details, you look at the bottom left hand side. From here, click on this icon, and from here, click on payment. It will take you to this page. Over here with an address, you can give your details, address related details, and some of your details too. Then click on next. Then it will take you to payment method section. Over here, you have an option to choose local bank transfer, wire transfer, check, or PayPal. That's up to you. Depending on what you choose from here, you have to give the respective details. So let's say if you go with PayPal, you have to select your payment currency and you have to give your PayPal email address. Once you have given the details here of the payment method of your preference, you can click on next. It will take you to the text form selection, choose it, and then click on next, and you're done. So this way you can update your payment method, and all the payment that has ever been issued to you, you're gonna see that in the payment history. By the way, you can expect the payment to be issued to you on monthly basis, of course, for the accumulated commission. And as I was saying, it will be there in the payment history sections for your future reference. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Adidas. You start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Adidas. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. There are premium as well as free resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. In the meantime, if you have any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. For now, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.